So you can do other fun stuff, like maybe another interesting statistic would be it'd be interesting to see the price deviation across this graph. I'm not sure if I can do this quickly. Standard deviation function, Python. I think this is probably in NumPy. Oh, there is a standard deviation function. So what if we find the min price, max price? So we can just do some fun stuff like this. Just to like find the minimum price and find sort of like the maximum price and like the standard deviations of each one, so you can like sort of have an idea of like what's above average, what's below average, and then max price. So let's run this. Min prints. That's not what I wanted. It'd be cool if I can get prints from this. Cool. So it looks like the max price is 10,000, and then min price is 0. So that doesn't seem very accurate. There's definitely some fluctuations here. So let's get the minimum 5, or let's just calculate the standard deviation. So the data set and the X bar, so let's pull all these prices out. So prices equal dot append row price. It sounds like the person who set it to 0 was just like sort of going for the low-hanging fruit, and not actually very serious about it, about being on Airbnb, which is probably not what Airbnb really wanted. So it sounds like an outlier. So we would probably have to remove the outlier from our data set because he's throwing everything else off. Some people just want to watch the world burn, let's be real. Standard deviation, the statistics module. I think I have to import statistics, and then from statistics, I love statistics. If you haven't really told by the way I act, I hate it. No, I'm kidding, I love it. It's honestly such a good way of understanding the world, because people lie but statistics do not lie. It looks like I do not have this library, so I have to install statistics. Honestly, this video is over, so if you want to stop watching me, then you can go ahead. I'm just going to find the standard deviation and show you guys sort of the final result of finding the minimum price, the maximum price, and the standard deviation of this. So the standard deviation is 240. Wow, there's a lot of outliers on the lower end of the spectrum. Maybe the median would probably be a better gauge. I'm guessing there's a median. I'm just gonna make a educated guess, because that'd be so weird if it wasn't. See what the median is. Yeah, the median is 106. Standard deviation is 240. So there's a lot of people on the high end of the spectrum, and then there's a lot of people on the low end of the spectrum. Oh wait, yeah. So it's really weird. So let's import the mean function in case this, maybe my calculation was off. I can never be too sure. No, my calculation was right. So it looks like the standard deviation is really large. So that means that at the mean price of, so the second one is mean. So at the mean price of 152, one standard deviation above, which is capturing 67% of the population size, is 392. So this dude's an outlier for sure, but I don't really want to bore you guys with the details of finding that. Maybe that's for another lesson. But yeah, like the video if you like this. Comment if you want more data analysis videos, and I hope you learned a little bit about JSON and sort of like the use cases. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from Uprooted Networks. I cover photography, programming, modeling, as well as social media. So follow me if you're interested, and thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.